Imagine a world where downloading a full-length movie takes mere seconds, where autonomous vehicles communicate seamlessly with each other, where remote surgery isn't science fiction, but a daily reality. This isn't the distant future, this is the promise of the 5G revolution. Welcome to a transformative shift in global connectivity, a race not just for speed, but for control of the very future of communication. It's a journey filled with unprecedented possibilities and significant challenges. It's a story of human ingenuity, strategic competition, and a vision for a world more connected than ever before. So, are you ready to delve into the fascinating world of 5G and beyond? To explore its far-reaching implications for industries, economies, and societies, to understand the stakes of the global race for 5G dominance. Then buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the heart of the 5G revolution. Let's get started. The advent of the 5G revolution marks a pivotal moment in the history of telecommunications and digital connectivity. As the fifth generation of wireless technology, 5G is set to redefine the way we interact with technology, transforming everything from individual smartphone usage to large-scale industrial processes. The importance of 5G lies in its potential to exponentially increase the speed and responsiveness of wireless networks. Where 4G networks offer download speeds of around 20 Mbps, 5G speeds have the potential to reach up to 10 Gbps. This means that data can be transmitted almost instantaneously, opening up a world of possibilities for real-time applications in various fields. But 5G is not just about speed. It also promises to provide more network capacity by expanding into new spectrum, such as millimeter wave. This will allow more devices to be connected to the network at the same time, which is crucial in our increasingly interconnected world. Furthermore, 5G technology is designed to be more efficient, reliable, and secure than its predecessors. It will enable a massive Internet of Things, where devices will communicate with each other and with the network, making autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and connected homes a reality. However, the transition to 5G is not just a technological upgrade. It is a significant shift that will have profound implications for society, economy, and geopolitics. The race to control the future of connectivity has begun, and it involves not just telecom companies, but nations. The stakes are high, as the winner will dictate the terms of 5G deployment and standards, gaining a significant strategic and economic advantage. In conclusion, the 5G revolution represents a transformative phase in the evolution of connectivity. Its impact will be far-reaching and multifaceted, reshaping industries and societies. The race to control this powerful technology is on, and the outcome will shape the future of connectivity. The journey from 1G to 5G is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. The first generation of wireless technology, 1G, introduced us to mobile voice calls. With 2G, we saw the advent of digital networks and the ability to send text messages. The third generation, 3G, brought the internet to our mobile devices, while 4G made streaming and sharing part of our everyday lives. Now, we stand on the brink of a new era with 5G. This fifth generation of wireless technology is not merely an incremental improvement over its predecessors. Instead, it represents a significant leap forward in speed, capacity, and connectivity that will redefine the way we live and work. 5G's most notable feature is its speed. It is expected to offer download speeds of up to 10 Gbps, which is around 100 times faster than 4G. This means that you could download a full-length HD movie in a matter of seconds. But more than just speed, 5G offers a massive increase in capacity. It's designed to connect a lot more devices at once, a critical feature in an age where everything from our fridges to our cars is going online. Another key feature of 5G is its low latency. Latency is the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another. In 5G networks, latency could be reduced to as low as 1 millisecond. This is crucial for applications that require real-time responses, such as autonomous vehicles and telemedicine. But the journey to 5G has not been without its challenges. Deploying 5G networks requires significant investment in infrastructure, such as small cells and fiber optic cables. There are also concerns about the potential health effects of 5G radiation, although research has so far found no evidence of harm. Despite these challenges, the race to deploy 5G is heating up. Countries and companies around the world are vying for leadership in this new era of connectivity, recognizing that whoever controls 5G will have a significant advantage in the digital economy of the future. The 5G revolution is not just about faster download speeds, it's about shaping the future of connectivity and all that it enables. The impact of 5G on various industries is expected to be transformative. Its high speed, low latency, and increased capacity will enable a new level of real-time, reliable, and efficient communication that will revolutionize many sectors. In healthcare, 5G could enable remote patient monitoring and telemedicine, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. It could also allow for real-time transmission of large imaging files, making remote diagnostics a reality. Furthermore, 5G could enable robotic surgery, where a surgeon could perform a procedure on a patient who is miles away. In the manufacturing sector, 5G could power the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0. It could enable real-time monitoring and control of machines, leading to more efficient and flexible production processes. It could also enable predictive maintenance, where potential issues are identified and addressed before they cause downtime. In the entertainment industry, 5G could revolutionize the way we consume content. It could enable high-definition streaming without buffering, even in crowded areas. It could also make virtual reality and augmented reality experiences more seamless and immersive. In transportation, 5G could enable autonomous vehicles to communicate with each other and with traffic management systems in real time, making roads safer and more efficient. It could also enable smart infrastructure, such as traffic lights that adapt to traffic conditions. In agriculture, 5G could enable precision farming, where sensors and drones collect data on crop health and soil conditions, and automated systems make adjustments to optimize yield. These are just a few examples of how 5G could revolutionize various industries. However, it's important to note that the full potential of 5G will only be realized with the development of new applications and business models that take advantage of its unique capabilities. The race is on not just to deploy 5G networks, but also to harness their potential to transform industries and society. The global race for 5G dominance is a high-stakes competition involving nations and multinational corporations. This race is not just about technological superiority, but also about economic influence and national security. Countries like the United States, China, and members of the European Union are at the forefront of this race. Each of these players understands that being the first to fully deploy and exploit 5G technology could give them a significant advantage in the global economy. The nation that leads in wireless technology will have the power to shape industries of the future and new ways of making a living. China, for instance, has made significant strides in 5G development and deployment, driven by tech giant Huawei. The US, on the other hand, is leveraging its technological prowess and innovative private sector to stay competitive. Europe, while a bit behind, is also making concerted efforts to catch up. The race for 5G dominance also has geopolitical implications. The technology is expected to give countries new ways to project power through governance, diplomacy, foreign aid, trade, security, and law enforcement. This has led to concerns about the potential for 5G networks to be used for surveillance or cyber warfare. Moreover, the management of 5G rollouts is a critical issue. Slow or poorly managed rollouts could lead to vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. Therefore, countries are not just racing to deploy 5G networks, but also to ensure that these networks are secure and resilient. In conclusion, the global race for 5G dominance is about much more than just faster internet speeds. It's a strategic competition that will shape the future of global connectivity, with far-reaching implications for economies, societies, and geopolitics. The transition to 5G, while promising numerous benefits, also presents a set of challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. One of the primary challenges is the development of the 5G network itself. The infrastructure required for 5G is vastly different from that of previous generations. For instance, 5G relies heavily on small cells for transmission, which necessitates the installation of a large number of these cells in a given area. This can be a costly and time-consuming process, and in some cases, it may face opposition due to aesthetic or health concerns. Another challenge is the issue of interference and latency. While 5G promises ultra-low latency, achieving this in real-world conditions is a complex task. It requires careful management of network resources and advanced technologies to reduce interference, especially in densely populated areas or in situations where a large number of devices are connected to the network. Power consumption is also a concern with 5G. The increased performance and speed of 5G networks could lead to higher energy consumption, both at the network level and for individual devices. This raises questions about the environmental impact of 5G and the need for more energy-efficient technologies. On the other hand, one of the most significant concerns surrounding 5G is security. The increased connectivity and complexity of 5G networks present new vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. Protecting these networks from cyber threats is a critical issue that requires robust security measures and constant vigilance. Lastly, there are also concerns about the digital divide. While 5G has the potential to revolutionize connectivity, its benefits may not be equally distributed. There is a risk that rural areas and underprivileged communities may be left behind in the 5G revolution, exacerbating existing inequalities. In conclusion, while the transition to 5G presents exciting opportunities, it also brings with it a host of challenges and concerns. Addressing these issues will require concerted efforts from policymakers, industry stakeholders, and society at large. As we look towards the future of connectivity, the advent of 5G is just the beginning. The next generation of wireless technology promises to revolutionize not just the way we communicate, but also the way we live and work. 5G is expected to provide faster and more reliable internet connectivity, allowing more devices to connect to the internet and enabling new technologies. It will unlock a new range of applications, supported by a multitude of new enabling technologies like AI, IoT, cloud, and edge computing. This will accelerate the Internet of Things revolution. providing faster and more reliable connectivity to billions of devices, from smart home appliances to autonomous vehicles. But the future of connectivity doesn't stop at 5G. Researchers and industry experts are already looking towards 6G and beyond. While 5G will operate from 0.6 GHz and above, 6G is expected to operate at frequencies up to 3 THz. This could make 6G up to 1,000 times faster than 5G, opening up even more possibilities for wireless communication. However, this future is not without its challenges. Each new generation of wireless technology brings with it a host of technical, regulatory, and societal issues that need to be addressed. These include the need for new infrastructure, concerns about health and safety, and questions about privacy and security. In conclusion, the future of connectivity is bright and full of potential. With 5G and beyond, we are on the cusp of a new era in wireless technology that will transform our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. But realizing this potential will require careful planning, collaboration, and a commitment to addressing the challenges that lie ahead. The 5G revolution is not just a technological advancement, it's a transformative shift that will have profound implications for society, economy, and geopolitics. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's important to reflect on the journey we've undertaken and the future that lies ahead. The evolution from 1G to 5G has been a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Each generation of wireless technology has brought us closer to a world where information can be shared instantaneously, breaking down barriers and bringing us closer together. With 5G, we are poised to take a significant leap forward in speed, capacity, and connectivity. The impact of 5G will be felt across various industries, from healthcare to manufacturing to entertainment. It will enable new ways of working, new business models, and new forms of entertainment. It will make our cities smarter, our roads safer, and our lives more convenient. But the race for 5G dominance is about more than just technological superiority. It's a strategic competition that will shape the future of global connectivity. The stakes are high, as the winner will dictate the terms of 5G deployment and standards, gaining a significant strategic and economic advantage. However, the transition to 5G also presents a set of challenges and concerns. From the technical and infrastructural challenges of 5G deployment to the security and privacy concerns of a more connected world, these issues need to be addressed to ensure the benefits of 5G are realized. Looking ahead, the future of connectivity is exciting. With 5G and beyond, we are entering a new era of wireless technology that promises to transform our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. But as we embrace this future, we must also navigate the challenges and complexities that come with it. In conclusion, the 5G revolution represents a transformative phase in the evolution of connectivity. Its impact will be far-reaching and multifaceted, reshaping industries and societies. The race to control this powerful technology is on, and the outcome will shape the future of connectivity. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. As we conclude this exploration of the 5G revolution and its far-reaching implications, it's clear that we're on the brink of a transformative era in global connectivity. From the way we work, play, and communicate, to the very fabric of our societies and economies, the impact of 5G and beyond will be profound. But as we've seen, this journey is not without its challenges. It's a race, a competition of technological prowess, strategic positioning, and vision for the future. And it's a race that we'll continue to explore, analyze, and discuss here. If you found this video insightful and want to stay updated on the latest developments in the world of technology, especially as we navigate the exciting landscape of 5G and beyond, then please hit the subscribe button. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of tech, uncovering its mysteries and revealing its impact on our lives. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future discussions. We're excited to have you on this journey with us. Let's explore the future of finance and business together. Subscribe now.